In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize footer in Shopify Dawn theme. By the end, you'll have a clean, useful footer that highlights your most important links and info. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then Themes. Find the Dawn theme you're working with and click Customize to open the theme editor. This editor shows your store preview on the right and your sections on the left, so you can see changes as you make them. Scroll down in the Sections panel and open the footer section. This is where all your footer content lives. You'll see existing blocks listed here. Click any block to edit its content, links, or settings. For example, if you have a menu block, choose which existing navigation menu you want to display, like quick links or customer service. If you're editing a text block, update headlines and descriptions to match your brand voice and keep things concise. For social icons, confirm the links point to your official profiles so customers land in the right place. And if you have a newsletter sign up, adjust the text so it clearly explains what subscribers can expect. If you want to add more content, click Add Block. You can choose a menu to highlight navigation, a text block for a short note or store details, social icons to showcase your social channels, or a newsletter sign up to collect subscribers right in your footer. Pick the option that best supports your goals. Think policy links, FAQs, or contact info. Then fine tune the settings so everything feels consistent. To keep things tidy, drag and drop your blocks to reorder them. Put the most important items like help links or email sign up higher up so they're easy to spot. If there's anything you don't need, click Remove Block to delete it. A streamlined footer helps customers find what they're looking for without scrolling past clutter. As you make changes, watch the live preview to see exactly how it will look. Take a moment to check both desktop and mobile views so spacing, icons, and text all look clean and readable on any device. When you're happy with everything, click Save to apply your updates. Saving locks in your changes so your customers can see them immediately. Your Shopify Dawn footer is now customized and ready to display important links and information for your customers. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.